Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching Technoride. What's going on guys, welcome to Technoride. Technology is done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix random frame drops or random stutters or any performance based issues on Elden Ring. So let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do first is you're going to enter your graphics settings and try to lower your resolution. So this will make the game look a little weird, but it will increase your FPS immensely. Okay, so if you don't want to reduce your resolution, you can go into your advanced setting and try to lower all of those shadow qualities, turn off anti-aliasing, turn off motion blur, and try to lower the settings to the lowest possible setting so you can get more performance out of it. And for the third fix, what you can do is you can update your graphics driver. So maybe your graphics card is not up to date to be able to run the game. So what you can do is, firstly you have to search your graphics card. So you have to know what graphics card you have. So for Windows 11 you can right click on your start button and click on device manager. For Windows 10 you can just click on the start button and search for device manager. Okay, and device manager should open right here. Okay, so in device manager you can click on this small button right here, it says display drivers, Radeon RX 570. So this is my graphics card. So you might have a different graphics card, so you can copy this, or you can just go into Google, type in your model. For example, mine is Radeon RX 570 and I'll type in drivers beside it, and then click on the first link, download the latest driver, install it, and you're done. So that's for the updating your graphics card driver. Finally, I would suggest you to keep your Windows up to date. So click on the start button, search for Windows Update, check for updates, and click on check for updates here. Mine is installed now because I have a couple updates that I haven't installed yet. So you just check for updates, and if you have any, install those updates and try to run the game, and it should work fine. So that's about it for this video guys. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. I think that's about it. So please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.